Hi guys, this is Ilewe bus stop. As you all can see, this is Ilewe bus stop, and also this is a street inside Ilewe where Okada men run their daily activities, you know, by taking people into the street. So now Taskforce was there yesterday, and they pick over 50 bikes. So we actually want to interrogate some of the bike men. What really happened here yesterday? Oga, what happened for here yesterday? What among you go fit talk?
Yesterday, because the way they take come is unexpected. They came with the camera. That's the type they use. Camera and the lasers.
Camera and lasers, okay.
Yes. So immediately they come, they block everywhere.
Okay. They block inside the street.
Yes, inside the street they block, and there's no way we can escape.
Okay.
Every bike where they park everything.
How many bikes they park for here?
More than 150 bikes.
Okay. For this place, Abi.
There's no way we can run.
People cannot run because the reason why people are here is to look for what una go chop. They don't say make una no enter road.
Yes.
Now una no enter road. Na inside street una dey. Okay.
Also fight on inside the street.
Okay. So now they can't put tear gas on the inside street, Abi.
Yes. Everybody ready for the shop. Everybody run away.
Everybody run away because of it. They throw tear gas because they won't collect una bike from una hand. Thank you. So now, guys, this is where the Taskforce men came yesterday. You know, this is a street, okay, in Ilewe bus stop. So I actually want to interrogate some of the market sellers, you know, those who own shop in this community. So I also want to interrogate someone here too, you know, to ask them what really happened. Hello ma. Oh ma. I want láti take it back movement in you. A gbọ́ pé wọ́n ní pé àwọn Taskforce wá sí ìbà ìlànà. A dẹ̀ gbọ́ pé wọ́n yìí tí àgà tó dẹ̀ scatter everywhere.
Inú ṣọ́ọ̀bù yìí gangan náà yìí sí apá ìsìn yẹn lélẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí.
Okay.
Kọ́dà ọmọ ìdákùn lọ́pọ̀dọ́ ni. Oyin tó kọ́ tó jí tó tó wọn náà. Tí gbogbo ayé pè bù.
Lórí pé Taskforce wá sí ìbà yìí. Lórí pé ọkọ̀ á kó ọ̀kadà àwọn èèyàn.
Ọ̀kadà tó ń kó níbà yìí kò kí ń ṣe 50. Ọ̀kadà tí wọ́n kó lórí ìta yìí gbogbo àwọn Haúsá yẹn wọ́n ń lẹ̀ wọ́n lóko wọ́n ń jù wọ́n ń gé ní. Èmi ò tiẹ̀ èmi rò pé wọ́n fẹ́ tó fẹ́ ràdà bóyá tó wọlé gidi. Kódà kò sẹ́ni tó lè mí nínú gbogbo wa. Ọmọ ìdákùn àṣẹ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ kankan náà yìí kí nìyẹn sí wọn ṣọ́ọ̀bù dúdú. Àwọn ẹ̀gọ́ rò pé náà ni.
So
Ọlọ́run tí ó gbẹ̀mí wa.
So nísìnyí lọ́rọ̀ kan báyìí ṣá wọ́n ṣàwọnú àdúgbò.
Wọ́n wọnú àdúgbò.
Lọ ti wá kọ́kadà.
Ọlọ́run ò gbẹ̀mí wa tó wá kọ́kadà. Ní junction yìí tí kò kì í ṣe orí títì tí kò kì í ṣe express ní ẹgbẹ́ kẹ́fíìsì àbọ̀ yìí lè nínú street ọ̀kadà tó kò kì í ṣe 50.
So sí àwọn ẹni tí wọ́n ti káwọn ọlọ́kadà pé kọ́ máa ṣe lórí express wọn ò dẹ̀ ṣe express inú àdúgbò lọ wà.
Junction wọn nìyí.
Tó ti kọ́